Welcome back. This is Rajit TJ. Today we're going to discuss problem number 3 on butt joint. This is actually the design problem. Here is the problem statement. Two ISF Indian standard flat sections, that is plates, of dimension 200 mm width and 10 mm thick each and 1.5 meter long are to be jointed to make a member length of 3 meter. Design a butt joint with the bolts arranged in the diamond pattern. The flats are supposed to carry a service load of 300 kN. Steel is of grade Fe410. 20 mm dia bolts of grade 4.6 are used to make the connections. Also determine the net tensile strength of the main and cover plates. Here this is the design problem where they are intended to connect or join two Indian flat sections of dimension 200 into 10 to make one element using double cover butt joint. Here, so here we need to arrange the bolts after designing, calculating number of bolts, pitch and everything. We need to arrange the bolts in diamond pattern. Diamond pattern will give the maximum efficiency. In the last problem we arranged the bolts in a rectangular pattern. So if you arrange the bolts in diamond pattern, it will give maximum efficiency. That will to transfer the load, maximum load from one section to other section. So here they given, they note that bolts are fully rated. That means there is no shank portion in these bolts. While calculating shear capacity, we should take NS becomes 0. And we should arrange the bolts in diamond pattern to get maximum efficiency. So if you write the given data here, if you have bolt 400 Newton per millimeter square for 4.6 grade steel, Fe410 Newton per millimeter square, diameter of the bolt 20 mm, diameter of the bolt hole, if you look at table number 19, you're going to get clearance in this one, that will become 22. Here they given service load or working load. If you give a service load, we need to multiply by load factor, that is partial safety factor for load, that is 1.5 to get ultimate or factored load. Service load into 1.5 will going to get the ultimate load. For this load we need to design the connection. Gamma MB is 1.25. We have to look into table number 5 of IS 800 2007. So now I have decided to provide double cover butt joint here. So to design any joint, we should know the bolt value first, that is capacity of single bolt. Similar to last problem, here if you calculate shear capacity of the bolt according to 10.3.3, here this is the formula. The bolts are in double shear. Here we should take n equal to 2 since bolts are fully threaded. NS becomes 0. If substitute the value, that is A and B value by 78% of ASP, Fu by root 3 gamma MB, you're going to get 90.5054 kilonewton. Is a single bolt value in double shear. If you calculate bearing strength of the bolt according to class 10.3.4, here this is the formula. Here we assume E as 1.5 times of D naught, pitch as 2.5 times of D according to the code. So if you calculate Kp, so Kp is least of these four values, that comes out to 0.50. And here since we don't know the cover plate thickness, we should provide cover plate thickness as the cover plate thickness should not be less than 5/8 times of the thickness of the main plate. Main plate here is 10 mm. So if you calculate, you will going to get equivalent to say 8 mm cover plates. We need to provide above and below since we are providing double cover butt joint. So here if you substitute VVP formula here, 2.5 kb diameter T, here we should take what? Sum of cover plate thickness or main plate thickness, whichever is least. Here main plate thickness is 10 mm, cover plate thickness is 8 plus 8 becomes 6. Therefore we need to take least value, that is 10 mm. So we're going to get here 82 kilonewton. Now the bolt value is least of about 2, that is shear strength and bearing strength. Here the bearing strength is 82 kilonewton. Therefore number of bolts required to make the joint is factored load by bolt value. We're going to get 5.48, say 6 numbers. So now to get maximum efficiency, we need to arrange the bolts in diamond pattern. Here 6 numbers we need to provide in case of butt joint to the half section of the joint. Total we need to provide what? 12. If we club both the side, we should provide, what the value we calculated here, this much of bolts we should provide on the one side. That is 6 bolts we need to provide in the diamond pattern. This is cover plate, this is main plate. The width of the main plate is 200 millimeter. The given thickness is 10 millimeter. Now this other view, I have provided what, 3 number of rows of bolts with 6 numbers. Now so this is the design. Now since they asked tensile strength of the main and cover plate, the tensile strength of the main plate will be critical at section 1. For main plate, this section is critical, 1 section is critical. Therefore, if you calculate tensile strength over there, we know the formula according to 6.3.1 of IS 82007. TDN equal to 0.10 FU AN T by gamma M1. AN is B minus NDH, B is 200, N is what? Number of volts passing through this section, only 1, and diameter of the bolt is 22, thickness of the main plate is 10 mm. Therefore, we are getting 522.45 kilonewton. We should take gamma M1 from code book again, table number 5. Now, if you calculate cover plate, tensile strength, the cover plate is critical at section 3.3. This is section, the cover plate is critical. Why? Because they have, removed 3 bolts area here. So if you come to main plate is very strong at 3.3, weak at 1.1. Whereas come to cover plate will be, critical at section 3.3. Cover plate is strong at section 1.1. So here we should consider 3.3 here. Number of volts passing through this section is 3. Therefore, N becomes 3. Diameter becomes 22. Width of the plate is 200. Here we should take what? Sum of cover plate thickness. Here, since we are calculating what? Cover plate, the strength, we should take here cover plate thickness. We should be careful to take this value. The TDN value is 632.90 kilonewton. This is what the design of double cover butt jet and the tensile strength of cover and main plates. Thank you.